Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a comprehensive guide on how to use Monday.com for team collaboration. First, let's quickly sign up or log into your Monday.com account. Now, why is this important? Well, Monday.com is a centralized platform for all your team's tasks, projects, and communications. It brings everyone onto the same page, reducing miscommunication and increasing efficiency. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you can create a new project by clicking on the plus new button. Naming your project is crucial as it gives your team a clear understanding of what they're working on. Now that we've done that, let's add some tasks. Click on the plus add button under your project title to create a new task. Remember to be specific and clear with task descriptions. This helps us because it sets clear expectations for team members and helps avoid confusion down the line. Next, let's assign these tasks. On the right side of each task, you'll see an assignee field. Click on it and select a team member. The reason we do this is to ensure accountability. With each task assigned to a specific person, everyone knows who's responsible for what. Moving on, we'll set deadlines for each task. Click on the date field next to the assignee and select a due date. Now, why does this matter? Deadlines keep the team on track and ensure that the project progresses on schedule. Lastly, you can communicate with your team members directly within each task. Just click on a task, then click on the Updates tab to start a conversation. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This feature keeps all discussions centralized and relevant to the task, making it easier for everyone to stay informed. In a nutshell, Monday.com allows you to manage projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and communicate with your team all in one place. It's a powerful tool that can maximize your team's productivity and streamline your workflow. And that's it. You're now ready to use Monday.com for effective team collaboration. See you in the next video.